today I'm playing this. I'm playing Ultimate, and I was doing this video about the Ultimate Adventure, but I had a poo, so I am gonna leave that. So yeah, I'm gonna play this game. I think I've done a video before. We're playing Flood Forest. We're gonna play Canyon Chaos. Let's start with this one. Start off with this one. Okay, here we go. Wait, why the hell is it vlogging? I'm really good at Flood Escape 2. Aiden. So, if you see me play on my Xbox, this is on mobile. This is Flood Escape Ultimate. This ain't Flood Escape 2. This is Flood Escape Ultimate. So, yeah. Flood Escape Ultimate's like so cool. They're both really cool. Flood Escape 2 and Flood Escape Ultimate are both really cool. So, yeah. I need to get... Oh, there's lava. Oh, lava. Okay, I need to get these buttons. It's quite really fun to play it on solo. Because you don't have those players who troll you. That's the goodest thing. Oh, God, I messed up. Mess ups can be common. Usually you have to restart, but I'm not the type of person who does that. Yeah, sometimes there's these maps. If you mess up, you straight up die. So I am 100% trying my best to beat my first map. It's ain't my first map. I don't know how much maps I've beaten. No! How am I alive? How did I survive that one? I messed up so many times. I'm going to play Flood Forest. I'm struggling on this one. Okay, don't really understand. Why the hell did I say that for? I don't understand where I have to go. But there's a part where I don't understand where to go. And then you have to jump here to... Yeah, I have to reset myself. Perlis Forest is my favorite difficult. It's just like area. It's like a town, a little town that floods. Oh, I started a bit early. No! Don't know what that was. I don't understand. Go. Stupid box. Voices in my head. Decaying facility. Do. Da. You got the game, Zella. Oh yeah, Rainbow Sentry is my favourite challenging. I beat Blue Moon Legacy. I beat Blue Moon on Flood Escape 2 too. I'm getting really good at this. Oh, God dang it. But you have to go really fast on this one. Overdrive. That's the normal. Oh yeah, it's difficult. So it's like less harder. Snowy mountains. Oh yeah, it's like Snowy Stronghold, but just like different. But that was me trying to that bench. There's a shortcut where you could get to the zip line already. You could jump on a tree and do a head here, or the. This might be my favorite difficult too. Oh, I got farther. Yes, I think that's where the lava stops. Okay. Hey guys. How long is this zip line? Oh God. No! Let's go! That was cool. Next. Where is Overdrive? That's a remake. There it is. Okay, this is like the ordinary version of Overdrive. Okay. Oh wait, no! Oh wait, never mind. I tumbled down and broke my ankle. I fell in lava. This Overdrive is like difficult. I am getting better. I might complete 100 maps. That should open up. No, the ladder goes. We should do wall jump practice. The lava does rise. There's a no! Lava! You stupid lava. I'm not doing that. It's like nightmare. I got you. This is the one. Wall jump practice. Okay, let's practice our wall jump skills. The lava does rise. I am not joking. So if you take too long on a level, it rises. Right. When I'll do your last one there. Okay, this is easy. It's gonna get harder though. I like this because it has a lot of wall jumps and I like them because yes, I made it. I struggle on that a lot. Oh. Hit it hard. Ah! Let's not do that. Let's do stopway. Stopway. That's harder, so okay. Stepway is my favourite ultimate because I like it. just did that. Bro, on shift lock. Just on shift lock. No! Not an easy. I don't like easy. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Okay, I wanted to do. I couldn't vote. Ultimate, like Subway. I don't know. Why did I do that actually? Should I do Agatio? That's like really hard. God dang it! Ah! I see him straight to Gilbert. What the hell just happened? I was like really low. Where's? Oh god. No, the lava is absolute mental. The lava goes absolute mental. Mental. Goes mental. The lava goes mental. Nah! This is defeat. You are done. You are dead. How's your fat Willy? No. Oh god, hyperspeed. Hyperspeed is tricky. I have tried. This is speed. You have to speed run. You have to. I'm trying it once. That's it. I'm only trying it once. It's really hard. Oh my god, it is so hard. That is so hard. I know it's a nightmare, 100%. Agatio is a nightmare. But Octane, Octane, why do I call it Octane? Octane. Why did that open before the music? Come on, bro. I'm really good, so. Mangadora. Let's try this one. So that you start, there's like a lot of buttons you have to press. It's quite annoying to press the first button. Oh god, I don't think I can make it. I don't know why the hell I just did that for. Okay, I sped run. I sped run it. Don't tell me I made that. How? I pressed every single button. Oh, I've never seen this one. I've never seen it. I'm gonna play it. So that's why I haven't seen it. So I haven't played this map before. So I'm gonna play it. This is my first time ever playing this map actually. Because I never played it. Cool. Why do some like team ups do that? No! Reboost. I don't like that one. I hate it. Toxic Chasm. Yes. Yeah, Toxic Chasm. It's like Poisonous Chasm, but just way different. It's like Toxic Rising. Toxic ain't. It's called Acid. Oh god. Ooh. Ah! And the one with that. Ah! Octane. Yeah, Octane is actually an extreme. Well, Agatio is like the first. No, Magdrona is actually the first bit of it. Then you got the sequel is Agatio, then Octane. Okay, there's go Ebony. There's Ebony raging. I jumped in the lava because I missed the button. Dynal's my hated map. Dynal's like this really tricky thing, and I don't like it. It's annoying, and I hate people picking it because I can't vote on Xbox. It's annoying because I tried to pick it, Harry. Okay, guys, I don't know how long it's been. Okay, let's play Toxic Chasm. I think it's been like 18 minutes or like 20,000. I'm joking. It's gonna mean like 20 minutes or some sort. Scroll up. Wow, how long has it been? 17 minutes. Bye-bye.